This video is going to get you ready to do IXL C.1. It's talking about plural and possessive nouns. So let's first of all talk about plural nouns. Plural means more than one. When you read about more than one of anything, you usually use the same word, simply adding an S, ES, or IES to the end. Alright, so I have a few sentences here, and I am going to underline some of the words that are plural nouns. So you have boy, which would be single, but to make it plural you add the S, so now you have boys. The boys were throwing baseballs. Baseball is a noun, and if you have more than one you add the S, so you have baseballs, back and forth between bases. Base would be one, but you add the S, you have bases. Number two, those cats, you have more than one cat, so that's a plural noun. Cats never seem to tire of chasing one another in and out of those boxes. Okay, so that would be like adding an ES. S, ES, or IES. That's where you have to take the Y and it becomes an IES to make a noun more than one, plural. Alright, let's look at number three. Our moms, more than one, are going to be upset that we stayed out all night going to parties. More than one party. Parties. So it was P-A-R-T-Y. You change the Y and it becomes an I-E-S. And so then you have parties. Possessive nouns. Possessive noun is a noun that shows who or what owns something or has something. So it's ownership, like a possession. You own it. Possessive nouns. To do that, you don't just add an S or ES. Here's where you need to include an apostrophe and then an S to a singular noun to make it possessive. Alright, so you might have Matt, single Matt, just one guy, his name's Matt, he has a glove. If you want to say that's his glove, you put the apostrophe and an S. So you have Matt's glove. Just like the bird, it's a single one. If you want to talk about the bird's wings, you say bird, apostrophe S, wings. The bird's wings. When a plural noun ends in S, just add an apostrophe after the S to make it a possessive noun. So for example, you have a plural noun, the boys, more than one, so it's plural. So then you just add an apostrophe here on the end, like that, and it becomes the boys' camp. Okay? The school's team. School ends in an S, schools. It's more than one school. Teams, so you just add an apostrophe after the S. When a plural noun does not end in S, add an apostrophe and S to make it a possessive noun. For example, children. Children is plural, it's more than one, but it doesn't end in an S, so then you go back to what you did up here, where you just add the apostrophe and the S. Same with the mice. Mice is more than one, so when you're talking about their tails, you would say the mice's tails. Apostrophe S. Alright, so that should help you to do IXL C.1. Let me know if you have any questions.